Hello, young learners. I am your baby panda teacher. Today, we will learn capital letters A to Z in the easiest way ever. Take your English copy, divide it into 4 columns like shown, and let's start step by step. Ready? Let's go. A. First, make one slanting line from top to bottom, then another slanting line from here, then one sleeping line in the middle. Easy? That's right. Great job, kids. B. B is one slanting line, one standing line, then a big curve, and then another curve. Understood? C. Make a big curve from top to bottom, just like a half circle. Great. D is one standing line and one big curve from top to bottom. So one standing line, then one big curve from top to bottom. Easy. Then comes E in the second line. E is one standing line and 3 sleeping lines. One on top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. Let's write it down. E is one standing line, one top sleeping line, second sleeping line, third sleeping line. Easy? F is one standing line, then 2 sleeping lines, one on top and one in the middle. Let's write it down. F is one standing line, then one sleeping line, and then another sleeping line. G is like C, a big curve from top to bottom. Then you add one sleeping line inside on the right and then one down line. So let's write down first like C, then standing line, then understood? This is G. Okay. Then comes H. H is 2 standing lines and 1 sleeping line joining them in the middle. Okay. So H is 2 standing lines and 1 sleeping line in the middle. Understood? Then comes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then comes I. Correct. I is one standing line, okay, and then 2 sleeping lines. Okay. Then comes J. J is one sleeping line at the top, then one standing line, and then a curve. So one sleeping line, then one standing line, and then one curve. Now K is one standing line and then 2 slanting lines like this. Understood? Then comes L. L is very easy. One standing line and one sleeping line. Then comes M. M is one standing line, right? Then one slanting line, from then again a slanting line, then one standing line again. M. Isn't it easy? N is one standing line, then a slanting line. Let's write it down. One standing line, then one slanting line, then again a standing line. N. Then comes O. Make a big round circle. So O is making a big round circle. Easy peasy? Okay. Then comes P. P is one standing line and then small curve on the top. P. Q is make a big circle like O and then you add a small slanting line at the bottom. So Q is making a big round circle like O and then adding a small slanting line at the bottom. Then comes R. R is one standing line and one small curve on top, okay, like P, and then one slanting line. So R is one standing line, then one small curve like P, then one slanting line at the bottom. Understood? S. Start from the top. Make a curve like a snake going down. Let's write it down. Start from the top. Make a curve like this. Okay? That's S. Easy. T. One sleeping line at the top and then one standing line. Easy. Now, U. U is make a curve from left to right and go up like this. Right. V is one slanting line down and one slanting line up. So one slanting line down and one slanting line up. That's V. Easy. W is one slanting line down, one up, another down and one up. So let's write it down. So W is one slanting line down, okay, then again up, then again down, then again up. W. Then comes X. One slanting line and one slanting line crossing it, okay, like this. X. Now comes after X, Y. Y is one slanting line and another slanting line. One slanting line this way, one slanting line this way, and then one small standing line. Okay. Z. Then comes Z. Z is one sleeping line, one slanting line, and then again sleeping line. Easy? Isn't it easy? Okay. So, wow, we all wrote capital letters A to Z. Let's revise it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, you all deserve a big smiley. Very good. Like and subscribe to make Panda very happy and dance. Oh baby Panda, Panda. Oh baby Panda, Panda, Panda. Don't forget to practice every day with Panda teacher, and soon you will be very good in A to Z. Bye bye.